nature is important to me because I find it's a space where I can really relax, and it calms me after lots of stress of various different things. I'm also very curious about nature, so I find animals and plants and various different types of fungi and stuff is really interesting for me, and I love to learn about that.
My favourite place in nature is our local badger set. I spend most of my evenings up there. I've been watching this family for 2 years. The cubs grow up, move away, have families, kind of thing. It's great to watch.
So another way to enjoy nature would be to come out to places like the RSPB Loch Garten Visitor Centre. There's so much lovely scenery to enjoy and just spend time away from day-to-day matters, homework, exams, anything like that. And just come out here and enjoy the serenity.